How to make scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs are a quick and easy to make. They are great for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This video will show you how to make scrambled eggs. 10 second summari. 1. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl. 2. Add 1 tablespoon of milk or half and half. 3. Whisk everything together until the yolks break. 4. Melt 2 teaspoons of butter in a pan. 5. Reduce the to love and add the eggs. 6. Stir the eggs with a spatula as they start to solidify. 7. Remove the eggs from the pan and serve when there is no liquid left. Ingredients. Scrambled eggs with milk or cream. 2 eggs. Salt and freshly ground black or white pepper, optional. Butter or oil spray. Milk, optional. Olive oil. Water, optional. Cheese, optional. Herbs, optional. Blended scrambled eggs with milk or water. 2 tablespoons butter or 1 tablespoon cooking oil. 2 large or jumbo eggs. Pinch salt and pepper. Scrambled eggs with milk or cream. Prepare the eggs. Crack 2 eggs per person into a bowl or jug. Add 1 tablespoon of milk, half and half, or sour cream per egg if you prefer a more tender, moist dish. Adding a little liquid to the eggs means the dish is less likely to turn out to go rubbery. Beat vigorously until the color and texture are uniform throughout. You may also add cheese for cheese eggs. Select the rigged sized pan for the number of eggs you will scramble. 2 eggs will require a very small pan, while a dozen eggs require some larger one. A pat of butter, 2 teaspoons, bacon drippings or oil in a frying pan. Move the pan by its handle, so that the melted fat glides around the surface and coats the entire pan. Flick some tap butter onto the skillet, frying pan, from your fingertips to test it. When small droplets sizzle and evaporate, the pan is used to to pour in the egg mixture. Continue to whisk as you pour the egg mixture into the pan. Set the burner low. Watch that as the eggs start to cook, the mixture solidifies. As soon as this starts happening, move the mixture around the pan with a spatula to scrape the cooked eggs from the bottom to the top of the mixture and expose the still portions to it. This keeps the eggs from developing a leathery brown skin on the bottom. Look to see if your eggs are almost cooked. When they are, take them off it, as the hot pan will continue to cook them. If you prefer dry textured eggs, leave them on it as required. Your eggs are done after there is no liquid of any kind left in the skillet. Remove your eggs from the pan before they lose their moist appearance. You can also add strips of cheese to the eggs to get a more vibrant flavor out of them. Make sure to add cheese when the eggs are still hot so it will all melt onto the eggs. Add salt and pepper to season, if desired. Blended scrambled eggs with milk or water. This method follows the belief that true scrambled eggs should not be uniformly yellow, but a blend of yellow and white. To an egg think frying pan, add 2 tablespoons butter or 1 tablespoon cooking oil. Turn it to high for 30 seconds then reduce to medium. Image titled Make scrambled eggs step 9 preview. Take 2 large or jumbo eggs or 3 medium eggs, break them into the pan. Using a spoon at first break an yolk and then scramble eggs using a combination of stirring and flipping. Add 1 pinch of salt and 1 pinch of black pepper. When the eggs are still a touch moist but solid, turn off it, and scramble for 15 to 30 seconds more. Serve. Add a sprig of fresh parsley and serve immediately.